Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to have a fall deep clean and decorate with me. But first, I want to check in with all of my friends and make sure I haven't missed anyone. So if you are from Maine, Rhode Island, Connecticut, Delaware, Mississippi, Arkansas, Wisconsin, Minnesota, North Dakota, Montana, Wyoming, Utah, New Mexico, Washington, Alaska, or Hawaii, leave it down in the comments below of this video. Let me know what state you're from. Sneak peek at some of the fall decor. Oh yeah, all over the floor. That is great. Okay. All right, friends, let me see if I can clarify what I've been trying to say. My brain is so scrambled. I have gotten hardly any sleep. Last night was the best night's sleep, so we're going to hope that we can get this information to you in a manner that you can absorb the information. If you hear my cat, he's currently bathing and he's real happy to be in here with his mommy. He should not be so lackadaisical in here because little punk came in here and attacked my microphone cover and bit little pieces out. Oh, Mommy likes that. That's something that she really needs. Let me go destroy it and let her know I'm mad at her because she hasn't given me running water today. Great. All right, so I am doing a 1K giveaway for my first 1,000 subscribers. I'm over 1,000. That's fine. I'm just going to do one at 1K. I may do another at 2K, you know, every 1,000, something like that. I might just, you know, do it that way. I haven't decided that, but I do know I'm going to do a 1K because it has taken me many, many hours of filming, editing, uploading, and 4.5 years to finally hit the 1,000 subscriber mark, and I appreciate you all so much. Those of you who subscribed early on and have been with me since the beginning, those of you that have been here only a day or two, maybe a week or two, I love each and every one of you the same with all of my heart, and I want to give back to you just some of that love, right? So I want to put together a box with some crafting items, some decor items, you know, whatever I'm curating and finding out and about or have held on to for years and thought one day it's a problem. Okay. So the most secure way that I feel that you could provide your information and I can look on my end to prove that you are who you say you are. I want you to email me from your Gmail account. Give me your name, the video that you subscribed from. Yes, I would like to be entered. I am 18 years or older. And whatever else you want to say, add your address, and that way I can take your handle that shows in the comments on YouTube, plug those in to my wheel of fame, spin the wheel, we'll pick someone, and then I will respond to you from my Leslie's Living Room Gmail to your Gmail and say, hey, you have 24 hours to get back to me to let me know, you know, that you're in it to win it. You were picked. Are you ready? Because I got some goodies. All right, let's put a little music on and sit back and relax and watch me sweat a little. Oh, yeah. Everyone, I hope that you enjoyed that little ditty. It's called For Our Friends. And so I said, well, I'm putting that up for my friends, so appropriate. All right, I'm done cleaning now. I'm ready to decorate. First, I have to dust off the shelves, and I freaked out because I apparently had plants up there during the springtime. Well, some leaves dropped, and yeah, scared me. It's okay. This is round 1 of decor that I put on the table. There's a round 2. I don't know if round 2 is going to make it in the video because my shot of it didn't come up. And look at me loading acorns into my strawberry pitcher that needs to be put away, but I didn't realize until I went to put it up there. So great. All right. Is this how I decorate? No, it was on how I did this day. I usually start with my large items and then fill in with my small items. I am exhausted. My back hurts. Getting old. And so I just, whatever I put my hands on, that's what I put up there, because everything's going to be moved at least once or twice, because I have to have perfection. It's a personality disorder. And yeah, I mean, I'm not a taco. I think I'm trying to be a taco. Maybe I'm the shell of the taco. I just haven't gotten my meats and my lettuce and cheeses. We don't know. We're trying. So yeah, this is how I decorate. I just place things knowing that's not where they're going to end up, but just trying to get some sense of an idea of, okay, I want this to be on this shelf, I want this to be on this shelf, but knowing that I have a whole nother bin upstairs that I need to bring downstairs to get the rest of my items that just go in this one area. That's so fantastic. All right, so I've just placed my vase up there. I'm not finished with that. I'm just putting stuff in the general vicinity of where it will go. Nothing is finalized because it has to be perfect, and it takes a little while. See, like this, he's facing that way, so is he, so is he. No, that's thing. Takes a little while. So yeah, I'm just putting him there. His little ear broke and I'm so sad. So I have these little hats that I got years ago from the craft section, the fall craft section at Hobby Lobby, and I just like to put them on my little trinkets every now and then, especially if they get a little broken ear. They can't be showing their broken ear. So he's cute. And I just threw some acorns up there. Put my favorite sign up there. Love that sign. I usually hang it there. But I was like, well, I have these. What am I going to do with these? We don't know. We might move that. In this area, I do a crow theme. I know. It's ridiculous. But when you love all of these different things, you have to have it all. And then you can't mix them all. You got to have them all. Oh, Lord. All right. Anyway, so my little crows are going to go, up in here. I'm going to likely move that. This is my bird's nest fern. And this is my fertilized water that I had my air plant in when I watered him and soaked him. He's got to move, but I don't really want to move him because he's happy there, so he might stay. And then I just have stuff that I have to move. Hurricane lantern came out. It's hurricane season. I'm going to throw away the cat tree thing because he used to eat in it when he had a place over there to eat, but now we have taken over that with plants. Okay, great. So let's move on to this part, and I will start decorating, and then I'm just going to end this video for today so I can get it out. I will continue filming and look for another video this week of the continuation of this where I finish my fall decorating. So I had my floors done about a year ago. In October, it'll be a year. And I kept hearing things crash and break, and I thought it was two of my pieces that I had just acquired, and I was really upset, and I went out and I bought another one. So now I have two. I have this one, and it's neutral enough I can keep it out all year. I just changed the greenery that's in it to match the season. And I found this one that I had packed up with my fall goodies, so we're going to put him out. Okay, that's great. Maybe we'll put him right there. He might move. Anyway, let's get back to decorating. All right, so I'm going to start working on this area. That is immediately going, can we say scale? Way too big for that area. If you see the long wooden piece in the background, we've discussed it before, but my Yorkie, you know, can't hold it, wants to mark my house. We don't know what's going on. And nobody seems to really care. So, the door frames are all made of this MDF. MDF is nothing more than multi-dimensional fiber. It's a bunch of fibrous wood particles that are squeezed together and heated up to kind of form a piece of fake wood. Well, if it gets wet, all those fibers swell and it just looks horrible. So where the dog has peed on, that is a door frame, I've had to cut away that part of the door frame and take that piece that you see right there, which is a door frame piece, and it's in pine so it won't swell, and I'm replacing the parts where the dog peed and it swelled with the pine so that it will be able to withstand the pee-pee. I waterproof it, I prime it, I paint it, all that. Is it a perfect job? No. And I don't know if anybody could do that perfectly. Maybe they can, I don't know. But it's good enough, and is anybody looking? If they are, oh well. The other alternative was to replace the whole door frame, and because I do a lot of my own repairs, I wasn't really into that, because that would be something I would end up having to hire out. I could do it, but it's like up and down a ladder. It's taller than me, bigger than me. Can I get it in my truck to get it? Come on. So yeah, I just bought like a 8-foot piece, and I've just been cutting like 4 to 6 inch pieces and putting them and replacing the pieces that were ruined, and you can't really tell. All right, guys, let's finish out this video.